Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen, where we're all about making the most of our time, especially during the busy holiday season. Today, we're going to explore some quick and efficient kitchen hacks that will save you time and stress while you're cooking and baking for your loved ones. Hack 1. Master the art of quick chopping. Chopping vegetables can be a time-consuming task, but with a few simple techniques, you can become a chopping champion. First, use a sharp knife. A dull knife will slow you down and make chopping more difficult. Second, learn to use the claw grip to hold your vegetables firmly and protect your fingers. Third, practice your knife skills by cutting in straight, even strokes. Hack 2. Embrace one-pan meals. One-pan meals are a lifesaver for busy cooks. They reduce cleanup and make cooking a breeze. For a hearty holiday meal, try a one-pan roasted chicken with vegetables. Simply toss your chicken and veggies with some olive oil, herbs, and spices, and roast everything on a single sheet pan. Hack 3. Prep ahead for smooth sailing. Planning and prepping ahead can make a world of difference when you're cooking for a crowd. Chop your vegetables, marinate your meats, and pre-measure ingredients before you begin cooking. This will streamline the process and make the whole experience much less stressful. Hack 4. Utilize multitasking magic. While your food is cooking, don't just stand there. Use the time to do other kitchen tasks. Set the table, wash dishes, or prep for the next course. Multitasking can help you save time and keep the kitchen organized. Hack 5. Embrace kitchen gadgets. Kitchen gadgets can be your best friends when you're short on time. A food processor can quickly chop vegetables and nuts, while an immersion blender can make smooth sauces and soups in a flash. Invest in a few key gadgets to make your holiday cooking easier. Comment down below what your favorite holiday kitchen hack is. With these time-saving kitchen hacks, you'll be able to whip up delicious and festive holiday meals without breaking a sweat. Remember, cooking and baking should be enjoyable, not stressful. So, relax, have fun, and savor the time spent in the kitchen creating memories with your loved ones. Happy holidays!